If your service cart is hard to move, covered in loose tools, or constantly sending you back to the toolbox, it is not saving you time. Today we're showing you how to build a service cart that stays stable, moves smoothly, and keeps your most used tools within arm's reach. Start with the work, not the cart. Think about the repairs you perform most often and the tools you repeatedly carry back and forth. These are the tools your cart should be designed around. Plan the trays and sides before the setup. A simple sketch can prevent you from running out of space. For daily shop use, chrome and impact sockets. Socket organizers for on-the-go or in the spot. Don't forget to include some adapters and hex bits on this level. The middle level will be the home of your most used wrenches and pliers. We can use this wrench organizer with swivel clips for these ratcheting wrenches with flex heads, and this plier rack to store them neat and ready at all times. We'll take leverage on this level's depth to attach a couple of silicone magnetic tool holders. These bad boys will keep all these hand tools at hand, nice and easy. You may think this might be too much weight, but trust me on this one. They will hold them tight. Bonus tip: add the new Olsa Tools horizontal hex bit organizers to the side. Guess they can be vertically used as well. Oh, I was forgetting a tiny detail. Let's attach this magnetic can holder in here. Ideal for the old reliable. You think this is way too much to fit in this small top drawer? Just wait and see. Top level should have the smallest tools, always ready to battle. Organization is a must in an efficient mechanic shop. Satisfying, huh? Next time you're working on a car, try to measure how much time you lose while trying to find the right tool. Then multiply it for every project. Before calling the build finished, test it during a real repair. The goal is not to carry every tool in the shop. It is to carry the tools that eliminate repeat trips to the toolbox. Build for your real workflow. Keep the weight low and adjust the layout as your work changes. What tools would always stay on your service cart? Let us know in the comments. And subscribe for more practical shop tips from Olsa Tools Grease and Gears. Keep it cool and greasy.